Hi, thank you for joining me. My name is Yvonne Anaya, and I am the presenter for technology integration in the classroom, specifically creating e-portfolios and all of the different components that can be included within them. Today, we will discuss our course outline as well as our three-column table. In today's ever changing world, it is vital for educators to remain abreast, continuously learn, and implement new learning both in and out of the classroom. This online course will promote, guide, and allow for collaboration among colleagues to utilize and implement technology use in varying forms. We will begin by discussing our course outline. Week 1, we will discuss the importance of an e-portfolio. We will have research-based literature to support um, this new course. We will be navigating the different components within the platform. And our lesson for the week will be to establish an account and create a home page and an About Me tab on the platform. We will discuss the advantages of using an e-portfolio and how this can be beneficial for you as an educator. Week 2, we will discuss the importance of a resume. We will emphasize the multiple components that need to be included in the resume, and we will discuss amongst each other the tips for creating a visually appealing resume. The task for the week will be to create or update a resume to reflect your current experiences or education for your next interview, should you have one. Week 3 is creating a Wix blog. We will discuss why blogging is beneficial. We will discuss how to blog, and we will have a step by step guide to do so. The weekly task would be to enhance or design a blog and to write a reflection of a colleague's blog. Week 4, we will be adding creativity and context to our e-portfolio. As I mentioned, we can use our e-portfolio out of the classroom at an interview perhaps, or in the classroom. As week 4, we will discuss how to use it in the classroom, such as embedding a keynote presentation, a screen recording of such presentation to target the needs of each student or a group of students in your classroom. Students would be able to access at home, in the classroom, different opportunities for you to differentiate instruction as we can create these keynotes to data driven presentations as well as to target the needs of the different modalities for each of the students. We can embed those into our um, presentations. The weekly task is to create a keynote in advance of the following week's lesson, keeping in mind the data as well as the upcoming non-negotiable TEKs. Week 5 is reinforcement and refinement. We will showcase our e-portfolios. We will discuss the importance of the of having an e-portfolio, what you can find in the e-portfolio, how to enhance them, and the task will be to complete the e-portfolio for you to use at your next interview, as well as to provide your parents with your e-portfolio link or students with your e-portfolio link to practice and enhance their skills when they are not in the classroom. Our three-column table, we will review some of our goals, learning activities, and assessment activities. Some of the goals are for our learners to become familiar with the varying elements of being an effective educator who integrates technology. We will research online platforms to consider the quality, the design, and the user friendliness. The learners within my course will be able to view varying apps and utilize the ones that best suit them to be included in their e-portfolio. We will contribute ideas and details of plan development to create such e-portfolios, which will actively engage and reinforce the needs of the classroom or set of classrooms. We would be able to meet vertically, to meet by grade level or by department to discuss the needs and plan accordingly. The application is to apply knowledge of the online platform, which is Wix in this case, as well as other resources to develop that e-portfolio. We will utilize digital media to collaborate virtually with peers, such as Zoom, Google Classroom, as I mentioned, Keynote, various forms of digital tools to be able to use in our e-portfolios. The integration is our learners will share their personalized portfolio to convey the unique style, design, and content, which will highlight their effort to create that e-portfolio. The human dimension, the learners will partake in an e-portfolio showcase to highlight their work. We will discuss, we will take bits and pieces, enhance, modify as needed via discussion, and then we can go back and modify our existing e-portfolios to suit our needs. Learn how to learn. The learners will learn to navigate various online platforms and embed resources that serve to enhance development and presentation of an e-portfolio. As I mentioned prior, it is crucial that the learners remain up to date, that learners continually learn and push the margin when it comes to utilizing technology. There are numerous things that we can incorporate into our portfolios to keep our students, our parents engaged, and to assist us professionally should we need it. The learning activity is to create a personal professional growth plan that seeks to incorporate maximal use of technology. As I mentioned, the goal is to continue to push that technology margin forward, that we do not remain stagnant, and that we continually learn and implement and integrate technology into our daily lives, both in and out of the classroom. Um, we are going to have numerous opportunities for our um, our learners to collaborate, our learners to reach out to me as the presenter as needed. I will serve as a facilitator and a guide, as well as they will be able to access my personal e-portfolio as an exemplar should they need it. So this course, I believe, is crucial in moving us forward and having all of our activities, all of the necessary tools that we should need at our fingertips. And so integrating this technology from here on out is crucial. It's not going anywhere, and it's important that we remain technologically inclined day to day. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing your completed projects.